Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you guys how we connect these wirelessly to a tablet or smartphone. These are the chasing LED rim lights that we offer. This is a kit I built for a guy. This is a level 5 kit, hence the 5 rows of LEDs. It's going on the truck, so there's 4 rings. He'll have approximately 850 LEDs on all the kit. All right, so about 225, give or take, per ring. All right. So one of the things we want to do, of course, is turn on our device, and I'll turn the lights out here in just a second. One of the things to do with this particular controller is we want to turn on both GPS and Bluetooth. Okay, we'll start our app. And you'll see SP105 right there. We're going to click on that, and there we go. Okay, so through this you can go through of the standard preset RGB functions. If you have red, green, and blue, and red, green, and blue is working correctly, you can create any color. Okay, anything you want. So through that you can use the color ring and make whatever color you choose to do. If there are some preset functions that you like, you can get into those. In fact, we'll just set it to auto here. Auto will kind of go through a bunch of that stuff. Over the years, the cost of the components has come down quite a bit, making these a lot more affordable than what they were, say 3-4 years ago. These guys are becoming more popular than the standard RGB, because with RGB, all the lights change at the same time, versus the chasing LEDs that you see here have a lot more functionality and features involved. What else? Of course, these are all waterproof, so you don't have to worry about anything getting wet. We are mounting a lot of the power supplies and the terminal boards and everything on a sheet of Lexan or ABS, so that it makes it easier to mount. It all comes pre-wired. All you need to do is run the wire from the LEDs to the terminal board. That's it. And of course, from the power supply to the battery or power source. All right. This particular kit runs, like I said, each row will run you about, let's see, probably about 50 LEDs per ring, 45 LEDs per row, excuse me. We do have some that will double that. All right, so where this one here will run, we'll run about 190, 200 maybe LEDs, maybe a little bit more than that on this particular ring with 5 rows. The ones that's going on my Slingshot will run 300 LEDs in only 4 rows. So a lot more LEDs compacted close together. Gives you more functionality, more brightness. And speaking of which, you can dim these down or speed them up. Brighten them, dim them down, speed them up, slow them down. So you get a lot of functions there. But anyway, just wanted to show this to you guys. A lot of guys like running white. So that's white. That is pure white, by the way. Very, very bright. White is also going to be the highest amp draw on your unit. So with these, we make sure we have power supplies that are overrated for what we do, because if you're going to run white, you want to not max out your power supply. So our power supplies are about 20 to 30% less, I'm sorry, a little bit more than what the LEDs will be rated for, so we don't have to worry about burning up a power supply. So anyway, if you got any questions, anything comes up, shoot me a message, let me know. I'll have all that information in the video description below to my email and website. And other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video.